22 Ideas for Better Sleep. 1. Establish a regular bedtime. Going to bed at a regular time will create a healthy sleep routine. Consistency is important as we are creatures of habit and there is comfort and security in routines. Establishing a sleep schedule that is in harmony with your life also includes a regular wake-up time in the morning. Try to go to bed before 10 p.m. to enable your body to do its maximum recharging and detoxifying. 2. Eliminate caffeine. Caffeine is known to cause restless sleep. If you can't eliminate caffeine completely, choose to have your caffeinated beverage. A serving of coffee contains about 150 milligrams, black tea about 40 milligrams, and green tea about 25 milligrams only in the morning. Be aware that decaf coffee and tea still contains some caffeine, 2 to 5 mg, and that you may be more sensitive than others. Which means stay clear of chocolate 6 to 7h from mid-afternoon onwards, as it also contains caffeine, 1/4 of a bar of dark chocolate about 23 milligrams. 3. Turn off electronic devices at least 1 hour before your bedtime. Turn off your electronic devices. This includes your telephone, computer, and TV. All these devices emit blue light and trick your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Use blue blocking eyewear if you must use them in the evening. If possible, turn off your Wi-Fi as well to eliminate as many electromagnetic fields, EMFs, as possible. Also, move your alarm clock as far away as possible from your bed, and if you must keep your cell phone with you, either shut it down or put it on airplane mode. 4. Have dinner early. Finish your dinner at least 3 hours before your bedtime. Late night meals can cause indigestion that can interfere with your sleep and may increase your risk of acid reflux. Also, late night eating may throw off your internal biological clock and lead to weight gain. 5. Enjoy a cup of tea. Have a cup of calming and soothing tea as part of your evening ritual, but not within 2h of going to sleep, as you may have to use the restroom. Choose a blend of tea that contains passion flower, hops, or chamomile. The pleasure of sipping warm tea can just be part of the transition into sleep and dreamland. 6. Take a hot bath. A hot bath, or shower before bed, will not only help you wind down from the day but also help your body reach the temperature it needs for sleep. The temperature drop from getting out of the bath, or shower, will signal your body that it's now time for sleep. Add some Epsom salt and/or a few drops of essential lavender oil to relax your muscles and mind even more. 7. Wear bed socks. As funny as it sounds, this is one of my favorite tools when having difficulties to fall asleep. Feet often tend to feel cold as they have poor circulation compared to the rest of the body. Warm feet relax and thereby activate the relaxation response, helping you to fall asleep faster and improve sleep. As an alternative, use a hot water bottle or a Bed Buddy microwavable heat pack near your feet. 8. Create white noise. Use a fountain, fan, or white noise machine to block out the sounds of the outside world or your partner's snoring. If you have trouble falling asleep, are easily awakened during the night, or have tinnitus, white noise will not only block distracting sounds but also soothe and relax you. You could also use nature sounds like rainfall or ocean waves, as the repetitive sounds are easy to ignore by the brain. 9. Sleep in complete darkness. Choose blackout curtains or blinds to make your bedroom as dark as possible. If not available, use a well-fitting black eye mask. Even the tiniest bit of light, from an alarm clock, can disrupt your sleep cycle, as it will interfere with the production of melatonin by the pineal gland. 10. Use your bedroom for sleep. Use your bed for sleep and sex only. Don't watch TV or work in your bed. Make sure the atmosphere of your bedroom is conducive to sleeping and relaxation by choosing soft colors and materials that agree with you. Also, choose a pillow that will support your head and neck so you will stay asleep and won't wake up from head or neck pain in the middle of the night. 11. Set the right temperature. Maybe your bedroom is too hot or cold for sleep. Recommended is to keep the temperature in your bedroom no higher than 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and setting it to 65 degrees seems ideal. A drop in core temperature will signal your body it's time to sleep. Your brain loves it cold, so cover up as necessary but keep your head nice and cool. 12. Do yoga or meditation. Yoga in the evening can be very beneficial for your sleep if you choose a deep stretch, yin, or otherwise relaxing form of yoga. I have had my best and most rejuvenating sleep after a calming yoga class in the evening. Meditation and relaxing breathing techniques are also great for preparing you for sleep. 13. Read before you go to bed. Reading has not only health benefits but will reduce your stress levels and help you sleep better. Remember how great story time was as a child? Fictional and inspirational books are wonderful in creating an oasis of peace and serenity. Don't read mystery or suspense novels though where your mind gets too engaged as it will have the opposite effect by tempting you to read into the early morning hours. 14. Listen to music. Soft and relaxing music at bedtime may help you fall asleep. Experiment with classical music that has a slow rhythm. When you are falling asleep, your heart rate slows down and moves towards the 60 beats per minute rate, which slow music may help you tune towards it. Try a pillow with a built-in speaker, as headphones or earbuds may be uncomfortable. 15. Journal at bedtime. Write down everything that is still coming to your mind and troubling you. Things that you didn't get accomplished and know you need to get done. Write a list of these things for the next day or put them on your calendar. Now it is recorded, and you won't worry about forgetting things. This is an excellent way to rid your brain of unnecessary information and details, which will help you relax. 16. Avoid alcohol. The effects of alcohol are short-lived. You may feel drowsy and more easily fall asleep, but you may wake up a few hours later to find you can't go back to sleep anymore. Alcohol is a stimulant, and it also prevents the more restorative part of your sleep, deep sleep, from occurring. So don't drink a glass of wine as part of your bedtime ritual. 17. Exercise. Studies have proven that regular aerobic exercise will not only help you sleep better and longer, but also improve your mood and vitality. If you are not exercising yet, be patient. The process is gradual and will be rewarding if you stick with it for a few months. Exercise should be done during the day and best in the morning. 18. Use a sleep tracker. A fitness tracker that includes a sleep tracking system is perfect for collecting real-time data about your sleep. You may be surprised to find out how little sleep you are actually getting, as time in bed doesn't necessarily equal sleep. With a sleep tracker, you will get some good data not only about the quantity but also the quality of your sleep when experimenting with different methods to help you sleep better. 19. Increase your melatonin. Taking a melatonin supplement before bed may help you fall asleep more quickly and help you stay asleep. There are ways to increase your melatonin levels naturally by exposing yourself to bright sunlight in the daytime, avoiding the blue light from electronic devices in the evening, or use blue light blocking glasses, and keeping your bedroom dark at night. Melatonin is naturally made by our body and has many other health benefits as well. 20. No pets in the bedroom. It might be your beloved fur babies that are preventing you from getting a good sleep. As much as we love them and need their comforting presence, they have their own idea of a good night and may disturb your sleep. Midnight hairball, dreams of hunting or digging, loud purring. Cats and dogs have a different rhythm and may easily wake up, like when they get excited about all the things that go bump in the night. Have them sleep in their own room. 21. Take magnesium. Magnesium is a natural sleep remedy. It relaxes your muscles and calms your nervous system. About 80% of people are deficient in magnesium. Take a magnesium supplement in the evening that's easily absorbed to help you get to sleep and wake up less frequently. It may also help with restless leg syndrome. As an alternative, take a bath with Epsom salt. 22. Stay calm. Don't freak out when you find out you either can't fall asleep or wake up and can't go back to sleep. Rather, instead of tossing and turning, get out of bed, keeping the lights dim. Write down troubling thought, prepare a hot water bottle to take back to bed, or read something until you are tired enough for sleep again.